57 at Blaine. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 55 at Eden Prairie and 56 at Crystal. At Lake Elmo, it was fair, with a temperature of 57. Across the rest of Minnesota, at International Falls, rain was falling, with a temperature of 45. At Bemidji, drizzle was falling, with a temperature of 44. It was sunny, with a temperature of 61 at Rochester and 50 at Hibbing. At Duluth, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 53. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 51 at Mankato, 53 at St. Cloud, 50 at Brainerd, 47 at Alexandria, and 48 at Marshall. Around Wisconsin, at Green Bay, rain was falling, with a temperature of 52. It was sunny, with a temperature of 57 at Eau Claire, 58 at Osceola, and 57 at Rice Lake. At La Crosse, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 55. At Milwaukee, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 65. At Madison, rain and fog were reported, with a temperature of 40.
Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota, has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
This is Weather Radio.